Bag of 40 coins only contains $2 and $5 coins. If the total dollar value of coins is $134, find the number of $2 coins. So here we need to know how many $2 coins there are. So let me use n to represent the number of $2 coins. Okay. Now, if n is equal to the number of $2 coins, and if I let f equal to the number of $5 coins, what's the relationship between n, f, and the total number of coins 40? Well, if I add n and f up, n plus 5, this should give me the total number of coins, which is 40. All right. The number of $2 coins plus the number of $5 coins gives me the total number of coins, which is 40. We're also given that the total dollar value of coins is $134. Okay, so this means that if we have n $2 coins, the value of n dollar coins, we just multiply it by its value. So we'll just multiply it by 2. Okay, and then plus 5 times f, because for each $5 coin, it's worth $5. Okay, so 2n plus 5f, this gives me the total value, which is 134. Okay. So now we need to know what n is over here. So if we want to know what n is, we should probably here isolate for f, because we don't want this f, right? We want this f in terms of n. So what we can do right here is that we can subtract n on both sides. Okay, and then we get that f is equal to 40 take away f. Okay, so here we have f, and then here we have f. Okay. So then we can just plug 40 minus n into this f, and then we get that 2n plus 5f. What's f? F is 40 minus n, this entire quantity, 40 minus n, and this is equal to 134. Okay. We'll have to distribute this 5 into the bracket. Okay. And then we get 2n plus 5 times 40. Okay. So 5 times 40 is 200 minus 5 times n is 5n, and that's equal to 134. Okay. Here we have 2n take away 5n, so that's going to be 200 minus 3n is equal to 134. Okay. And then we get that if we add 3n on both sides, okay, these cancel out, and then we can subtract 134 on both sides. These guys cancel out over here. 200 minus 134, this is going to equal to 66. And then here, I just have it equal to 3n. Now, to solve for n, I can just divide both sides by 3. And I get that n is equal to 66 over 3, which is equal to 22. So there are a total of 22 $2 coins. Okay, and that is it.